Hey, you guys, it's Double Moms, and in today's episode, we're going to take a look at Telesis Bio Inc., ticker symbol TBIO, a European DNA patent, low float, and high after hours volume play. Before we begin, if you haven't already subscribed, hit that subscribe button and set notifications on so you don't miss any episodes, and like and share. Also, let me begin by saying, folks, we are not financial or stock advisors when we do not give stock or financial advice. This episode is for entertainment purposes only. Da-da-da-da-da-da. Hey, always do your own due diligence. If you want access to our private Discord so you can get our pre-market picks early, the link is in that description. We pick a lot of bangers a lot of times. We called out LRHC pre-market today, February 22nd, 2024, and it ran up 343%. We also called out TBIO, the stock we're featuring on this video this afternoon, February 22nd, before its parabolic run up 240% in after hours. We also called out AGRX pre-market today, February 22nd, before it ran up 220%. XTKG was called out in our private Discord pre-market today, February 22nd, before it ran up 162%. We also called out BZFD in our early watch list yesterday, February 21st, and pre-market today, February 22nd, before it ran up 151%. We also called out MNPR back on February 20th and pre-market today, February 22nd, before it ran up 137%. And we also called out VERO pre-market today, February 22nd, before it ran up 113%. We also called out ELAB pre-market today, February 22nd, also before it ran up 111%. And finally, we called out DOGZ today, February 22nd, before it ran up 107%. That is nine runners today, folks. We're just made different, This is what we do, and the early bird gets the cash. By the way, we've also included that link to our membership website program, which also includes all of our incredible stock picks and over 380 episodes of material on how we find and trade stocks, how we read candlestick patterns, how we read key levels, how we use those critical indicators, and much, much more. Of course, there are no guarantees that you'll succeed in trading stock if you join our membership site or not, but we share with you how we trade and what's been working for us. So let's get right into it with Telesis Bio Inc., ticker symbol TBIO, which is located in San Diego, California. It's a publicly traded NASDAQ medical devices company with a $13.74 million market cap and 223 employees. Telesis Bio Inc. is a synthetic biology company which makes and sells synthetic biology instruments, reagents, and associated products and related services, primarily to pharmaceutical and academic laboratories worldwide. It also serves government institutions, contract research organizations, and synthetic biology companies. The company was formerly known as Codex DNA Inc. and changed its name to Telesis Bio Inc. in November of 2022. Telesis Bio Inc. was incorporated in 2011. Now, let's look at TBIO's most recent news. Today, February 22nd, 2024, Telesis Bio Inc. was granted a European patent for what was referred to as, quote, genetically engineered Vibrio nitrogens, unquote. This relates to a host organism used for cloning and manipulating DNA. Now, we noted on our private Discord that the stock price went parabolic in after hours trading. The float on this stock is 10 million shares. It is a relatively low float stock, yet the volume was 17 million shares traded today. In fact, the price action on TBIO stock was pushed upward 240% in after hours today with this news. This price could potentially keep moving upward tomorrow if more volume or news catalyst comes in. Now, undoubtedly, this late breaking news regarding this European patent granted to Telesis Bio Inc. can move the price action upward for TBIO. A continued price increase is possible. We will be keeping an eye on it. Now, as we said earlier, folks, if you want access to our private Discord so you can get our pre-market picks early, the link is in the description. We pick a lot of bangers. A lot of times we are just made different, and the early bird gets the cash. By the way, we've also included that link to our membership website program, which also includes all of our incredible stock picks and over 380 episodes of material on how we find and trade stocks, how we determine our entry and our exit points on trades, how to read candlestick patterns, how to read key levels, how we use critical indicators, and much, much more. Now, of course, there are no guarantees you'll succeed in trading stocks if you join our membership site or not, but we will share with you how we trade and what works for us. In conclusion, Telesis Bio Inc., ticker symbol TBIO, is a publicly traded NASDAQ company that is in the healthcare sector and was granted a patent relating to DNA cloning and manipulation. TBIO is a company we will be watching. With the right increase in volume, we believe it could be conducive for momentum parabolic day trading. Now, will TBIO run parabolic? It will need continued volume, but who knows for sure? Of course, we would need to see that continued volume before we actually day trade this stock. This is not advice. We are not pros, folks. It is just my opinion, but I will have TBIO on my watch list. This is Double Moms, and I'll see all of you again on the flip side.